If you are looking for a unique and fun recipe to try, this delicious marshmallow without corn syrup is a great choice. Light and fluffy, these marshmallows are irresistible. They make a great treat to serve your family, no matter the occasion. Whether you add them to your hot chocolate or use them for marshmallows, these marshmallows will be a hit. They have a lovely consistency while being free of corn syrup. No matter the event, these marshmallows will be a hit, as they taste even better than the store-bought kind. This marshmallow recipe does require some intermediate skill, but is well worth all the work. It is a great recipe if you are looking to avoid corn syrup for health or dietary reasons. All about marshmallows. Marshmallows have a long history, tracing back to ancient Egypt. As early as 2000 BC, these unique treats were only enjoyed on special occasions, as they were reserved particularly for gods and royalty. Originally, marshmallows were made from the mallow plant, which grows in marshes. The Egyptians used to squeeze the sap from the mallow plant, and then mix it with nuts and honey. In the 1880s, the marshmallows first came to France. It quickly became a hit, and bakeries had a hard time keeping up with the demand of this special treat. At first, they would make it by whipping up mallow sap, egg whites, and sugar and placing it in a mold, which was a time-consuming process. Eventually, French bakers found a way to speed up the process by using molds made of modified cornstarch. Then, gelatin was used to replace mallow sap, allowing marshmallows to become more stable. What are marshmallows made of today? Today, marshmallows are commonly made from gelatin, sugar, light cornstarch, and water. There are now several variations of how to make this classic treat. In addition, people often add different flavors like vanilla, mint, and chocolate. Many people don't realize that most marshmallows aren't vegetarian-friendly. Gelatin, a common ingredient in marshmallows, is derived from boiled animal bones. Gelatin, which comes from collagen, works as a thickener, stabilizer, and texturizer in different foods like Jell-O, marshmallows, and certain candies. What you will need. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons gelatin, 8 tablespoons cold water, 2 cups granulated sugar, ½ cup cold water, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, powdered sugar for dusting. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Generously dust the square pan with powdered sugar. In a small mixing bowl, combine the gelatin with 8 tablespoons of cold water. Step 2. In a large saucepan over medium heat, add the granulated sugar and ½ cup of cold water. Cook the mixture, stirring regularly until the sugar is dissolved. Step 3. Add the gelatin to the sugar water. Bring the mixture to a boil, and then remove the mixture from the heat. Carefully pour the mixture into a large mixing bowl, and allow it to partially cool. Step 4. To your mixture, add the salt and vanilla extract, mixing until combined. You may substitute the vanilla extract for another flavor if desired. Step 5. Using an electric mixer, beat the marshmallow mixture. Beat the mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it has reached a soft texture and has doubled in volume. Step 6. Carefully pour your marshmallow into the prepared pan. It should be about ½ inch thick. Let the marshmallow sit so it can fully cool. Step 7. Once the marshmallow does not stick to your fingers, it is ready to serve. Cut it with a sharp knife into about 1½ inch squares. Roll the marshmallow squares around in powdered sugar and serve. Tips and tricks. Store your homemade marshmallows in an airtight container at room temperature for about 1 week. Avoid placing them in the fridge, as this will mess up the consistency of the marshmallows. In addition, marshmallows will not freeze well. They are best enjoyed fresh, so be sure to properly store them in an airtight container. Marshmallows should be stored in a cool, dry area away from the sun, as they are sensitive to heat and can melt. These corn syrup-free marshmallows can be used for many things such as hot chocolate, marshmallows, and dipping in chocolate. They also taste great on their own or rolled in powdered sugar, or even toasted coconuts. Instead of vanilla extract, you can add almond, peppermint, or orange extract. Make sure to give the marshmallows plenty of time to set. Though it can be tempting to slice into them early, this can ruin their consistency. In some cases, it is best to let them set covered overnight to ensure the proper consistency. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.